Hi there, this is a little bonus lecture that I'm creating with the purpose to explain R software lifecycle. R is a software that is living and updated from time to time to match new software and hardware developments. So I would like to give a few recommendations about the update. I guess that this lecture is also aimed to overcome like a fear of updating this software, because we can use the dedicated tool which is called installr package. I don't have much recommendation here, but just these three. First of all, do that on weekends, simply because it may need some time to go and check the scripts, update the logic, remember the code. It is also again the opportunity to refresh in your mind what you did before, to check your code. And last but not least is about to do that sufficiently frequent. This is helping you to remember at least how to do it. Now let's move to this video demonstration how I would do the update. So I have created actually an entire project for me. It's good. I'm just showing you this right there. I've created a project repository. You can use this. So first I will install package installr. Okay, restart prior to restarting. Okay, I'm installing this package, which is a utility to update R or other softwares. Right, I've just got it right here, and I will load this library. There is a warning. In fact, my version is older than this. This is the latest version, so I can actually use this opportunity right now to record this lecture, but as well update my R version. Right now I can actually would like to show you this tricks here. Just this is a package help. I think this is just self-explanatory. This is using R to install different stuff right here. I don't want to go into detail, but what is interesting here that you can go through this help function, and there's a lot of different information to read. What I will do instead, I will use this function update R, and this function will actually will just bring the menu for me. It will tell me that there is a newer version, so it's checking if there is a new version available, and it is giving me possibility to update it to the latest version. So in this case I would choose yes, and there is a new pop-up window. Do you wish to see the news related to this version of R? I would say, well, I would say rather no. And next, there is a demonstration. There is a question: do you wish to install the latest version of R? I would say yes. And there is a message that it is best to run update R from R GUI and not from R Studio. Would you like to abort the installation and run it again from R GUI? I would say, well, yes. I would say yes, and what it means that I will have to actually open R. This will be just plain R. I need to open plain R at this stage. So let me find my R version, just where it is installed. So I go to a start menu folder, and here we go. I will just start R GUI. It is here. So what I would like to do, I will write library and type install R and hit enter. And right now I will say update R, and I will hit enter. So this is the same menu. I would just show you that we have the same. Okay, no news. And do you wish to install the latest version of R? I would say yes. There will be first of all we will download the latest file, exe file from cron. It is done. It is we have pop up the window to choose the language. Okay, I'll say yes. There is a login, the license, and I will say yes. And this is showing me the location where I would like to install it. I'll say next, and it is giving me the options. I will say everything I want. I want to have it defaults, and I'll just I keep it the same, and I say next, and I'll go to next. And this is installation is starting right now. Okay, we are finishing, and we can click finish. Right now, it's not all, because we are prompted to copy our packages from the older version of R to the newer version of R. I would say yes. And there is a warning: once your packages are copied to the new R, do you wish to keep the packages from the library in the old R installation? So here I would like to keep the packages in the library in the old R installation. So this is important because my packages in the old R installation are still being used for my scripts. Okay, so I will keep that, and I will say yes. I will keep the packages. So now it will take time, because currently there will be a lot of copy and paste going on from the library here to this library. It will take, I guess, a while, but I will still wait the result. In the meanwhile, I can actually check what is going on by opening the folder where these packages are installed, just to show what is happening. What is happening is that I have a folder. These are the old R installation that I had before. This is previous version, and this is a new version. Currently, I have here 244 megabyte, and here I had how much I had. It is anyway. These are the old packages. These are the packages that I'm copying, and I guess right here in the library I have all those packages. So there is a 358 items in the older folder, and in this it's at the moment is just 40. So it's still being copied actually as we speak. So it will take a while actually until it is all done. So right now we have completed the process. I can just show you that we have in the new library we have now 358 items. So, and also I have a message here that it is asking me, do you wish to copy your R profile site from the older version of R to the new version of R? Well, honestly speaking, I don't know what it means, rprofile.site, but I will say yes. Well, there is another question right now, do you wish to update your packages in the newly updated installed R? And here I would say no. No, because I would like to do that, I'll probably like to do that maybe separately, but feel free to say yes. In this case, I would say no, just to save time. And last thing that is asking me, do you wish to start the R GUI.exe of your new R installation? And this probably I will say no. And next, do you wish to quit R? your workspace will not be saved. I'll say yes. So once the R installation was updated, we need to perform several remaining steps. Well, first of all, go ahead and review our scripts, possibly test them. You might also need to update H2O, deep learning machine, Java, etc. Possibly try to, probably this should go actually before. So let me put it just here before. And if you use rscript.exe, it will be explained later in the courses. We will need to use update our BIT files so they will refer to the new version of R. Otherwise, if you don't want to do this, it's fine. The BIT files will still be working totally fine from the previous R installation because we never deleted this. What I mean here is just here, for example, where I'm using in the course number 6, I'm using this BIT files right here, with the one that, for example, scoring the data. So what I will need to do after a new installation, I will just need to test my script, which is here, this script. And after that, when I know that everything is fine, I will just put here a new R version like this. This is all for this lecture. I hope you like it and you're not getting fear now before you're updating R. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.